The Essentials of Orchard Maintenance, a Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a very special topic that combines the beauty of nature with the diligence of human effort: orchard maintenance. Whether you're a language learner, a gardening enthusiast, or simply curious, join us as we unpack the meaning and significance of this phrase. Let's cultivate our knowledge together. First things first, let's break down the phrase into two parts: orchard and maintenance. An orchard is a piece of land devoted to the cultivation of fruit or nut trees. Imagine rows of apple trees, cherry blossoms, or walnut trees, all organized neatly in a large area. That's your orchard. Maintenance, on the other hand, refers to the act of maintaining or keeping something in good condition. It involves regular checkups, repairs, and general upkeep to ensure that everything functions smoothly and remains healthy. When we combine these terms, orchard maintenance becomes the ongoing process of caring for and managing an orchard to ensure it produces healthy, fruitful trees. This includes a variety of tasks such as pruning, watering, fertilizing, pest control, and disease management. You might wonder, why is orchard maintenance so important? Well, just like any other form of farming or gardening, orchards require attention and care to thrive. Proper maintenance ensures healthy growth. Regular pruning and care help trees grow strong and healthy, maximizing fruit production. Disease prevention. By monitoring and treating for pests and diseases, orchard keepers can prevent outbreaks that could damage or destroy their trees. Quality produce. Good orchard practices lead to better quality fruits, which are tastier and more nutritious. Sustainability. Well-maintained orchards can produce fruit for many years, making them a sustainable source of food. So, what does orchard maintenance involve? Here's a quick overview of some key tasks. Pruning. Cutting back branches to promote healthy growth and fruit production. Watering. Ensuring trees get enough water, especially during dry periods. Fertilizing. Providing trees with the nutrients they need to grow. Pest and disease control. Keeping an eye out for signs of pests or disease and taking action to protect the orchard. Soil management. Looking after the soil health to support the trees. We hope this guide has shed some light on the vibrant world of orchard maintenance. It's a beautiful blend of nature's bounty and human care, producing the delicious fruits that we enjoy. Whether you're an English language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or someone interested in the practical aspects of maintaining an orchard, we trust this video has been informative and engaging. Remember, learning is a journey, and we're here to explore it together. Until next time, happy learning!